So this is the first lesson we're having on the topic indices. So the first thing we need to know is what is indices. That's the first thing. So anytime I'm teaching a new topic, I like the students to understand what the topic is all about. Okay, before we start solving questions. So indices or an index number is a number that shows how many times it is multiplying itself. So let's write something down before we continue. So a number is said to be in index form when it multiplies itself lots of times. For example, if you have something in this form, t to the power of 3. T to the power of 3 is a number in index form. T to the power of 3. What does this mean? So t to the power of 3 means that t is multiplying itself 3 times. T multiplied by t multiplied by t. So t multiplied by t multiplied by t, instead of writing it in this expanded form, we can write it in this form. Okay, t to the power of 3. If I have 4 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 5 means 4 is multiplying itself 5 times. 4 is multiplying itself 5 times. So 4 to the power of 5 means 4 is multiplying itself 5 times. So when you have a number in index form, so this number here is an index number. This number here is an index number. The plural of index is indices. Okay, so when you are solving questions that involves index numbers, you are solving questions on indices. Okay, so now if you have 4 to the power of 5, this number at the top here is called power or exponent. The number here is called the base. Okay, so an index number is made up of two numbers, the base and the power or exponent. So the base is the number that is multiplying itself. The exponent shows how many times the base is multiplying itself. So 4 to the power of 5 means 4 is multiplying itself 5 times. Okay. When solving questions on indices, there are some laws that you need to know in order to solve the questions correctly. So we're going to be looking at the laws of indices. Okay, the laws of indices.